It's recording. Wave and say hi, Grandma. Great Grandma.
Hi, Grandma and Great Grandma. Hi. This is twisted.
Say hi, Uncle Alan.
Hi, Uncle Alan. Hi, Grandpa. It's twisted.
What are you doing to that kid? Things in her face. Oh, wish you had a diaper. Yeah, now you gotta change the whole thing.
Wow, she's vomiting.
She's not vomiting. It's spitting up.
Where was that stored? In your cheeks?
See?
Why can't I just leave it? It'll dry.